Hello, I'll explain the working of absorption heat pumps fired by natural gas and geothermal renewable energy. Let's start explaining what geothermal renewable energy is. Geothermal energy is the heat recovered from the ground, which is available at a relatively constant temperature all year round, regardless of weather conditions. The geothermal gas absorption heat pump is a very efficient system, capable of producing hot water for heating and for domestic use with a gas or LPG burner, and renewable geothermal energy. How can we recover this energy? Using suitable probes, namely geothermal probes or heat exchangers buried in shallow ground capable of absorbing the ground heat and of transferring it to the water that circulates in the system. This water is sent to the heat pump, which transfers the heat to hot water for heating through a thermodynamic cycle. As already mentioned, the renewable geothermal energy, combined with the heat produced from the gas burner, delivers high thermal efficiency, thus reducing electricity consumption to a minimum, thanks to the prevalent use of natural gas for its operation. Moreover, geothermal probes are shorter than the probes required by electric heat pumps. The result is low energy consumption, low environmental impact, and low installation costs for the geothermal probes. Renewable energy, natural gas, and high efficiency. ROBUR, caring for the environment.